the LG V2064, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola 5G Ace for AT&T PREPAID. So this is a new phone for AT&T PREPAID that's available now for $129.99. It's currently on sale, so if you guys are looking to get a 5G phone for cheap, the Motorola 5G Ace is for you. The full retail price of the Motorola 5G Ace is $259.99, but you can get a half off at $130. So that's pretty close. So you're getting a 5G phone for $130. That is a win. This is like a budget smartphone, but the specs in there are pretty decent for what it is. So you'll get 64 gigabytes of storage, and the color is volcanic radar. So yeah. So this is what the phone looks like. It looks really nice. You do have a whole front facing camera, power and LMPs on the right side of the phone there. Check out more pictures here, right side of the phone, button keys and power button. Power keys on the right side, and I think your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. There's exactly what there. You guys have three cameras, number 5, the fingerprint sensor, which is your Motorola logo and the AT&T logo there on the back. Okay, here's the back more clear. So like I said, you guys have three cameras. Your camera flash is right here. Fingerprint sensor in your AT&T logo on the rear. It's a 48 megapixel camera on the rear, so pretty cool there. There's the back end again. Like I said, your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. That is right here on the left side of the phone. So yeah. Looks back there. There's the left side, like I said, micro SD card and SIM card slot on the left. There's the phone again. There is front and back. So yeah. So yeah. The Motorola 5G Ace there. So yeah, pretty nice looking phone. So it says here, Motorola 5G Ace is here. Let's get on the name one time. Super fast 5G speed for all. Enjoy movies that download in seconds, ultra close video chats and games without the wait. So the main selling point of this phone is its 5G capabilities. What you're getting at on the cheap at $129.99. So I think it's a pretty good deal though if you guys want a cheap 5G phone. Here's some more pictures on the phone. So you guys should have that front and back and everything else. Like I said, the power button and the keys are on the left side of the phone. Your SIM card and SD card is on the left side of the phone. You have a whole bunch of things again. Oops, sorry about that. So yeah, there's the phone up there. Right side, back side. There's the left side again. There's the front of the phone, there's the bottom of the phone, which has a headphone jack, which is very nice to see on the phones. Because you really don't get down phones anymore. You have a Type-C charging port, microphone, and your speaker on the bottom of the phone there. So pretty nice. Recommend collapse this. Get some Q&A. We don't need nothing about that. Features and specs. Like I said, this phone is a budget phone, but the specs in here are pretty decent for what it is. So you guys have super fast 5G speed, long lasting, 5,000 mAh battery, 6.7 inch 4K plus max resolution display, 48 megapixel camera system with AI. So yeah, pretty cool there. So your dimensions are 6.54 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.39 inches depth. The Motorola 5G Ace weighs 7.48 ounces. So this is a hefty phone here, so you keep it in mind. Like I said, screen size is 6.7 inches. that is at Full HD plus resolution. That's a 20:9 aspect ratio, 1080 by 2400 pixels, 16.7 million colors. Do have a triple camera system on the back at 48 megapixel main with the f1.79 aperture lens with autofocus and with EIS as well. 2 megapixel autofocus macro lens with a 2.4 aperture lens. Then the 8 megapixel super wide angle lens with the f2.2 aperture with 118-degree field of view there. Video captures 4K at 30, and you do Full HD at 30, Full HD at 60, 720p at 30, Full HD at 120 frames per second. That's like slow motion video right there. There's a video playback format right there. One-facing camera at 16 megapixel camera with the f2.2 aperture lens. Streaming video, YouTube, camera, features, smart composition, quick capture, assistive grade. I think this was assistive grade, I think. Face focus, QR, and barcode detection, spot color. Other shooting options you have auto smile, auto shot, best shot, shot optimization, burst shot, pro mode, 360 degree, panorama, night vision. Battery on this bad boy, 5,000 milliamps, 38.6 hours of talk time, 24 days of standby time, audio playback, 43.9 hours on the speaker, 166.7 hours of audio playback on the headset. Fast charging for both schools. Time to charge takes 60 minutes to charge to 50%, and it takes 2 hours and 40 minutes to charge the completely. Processor is the Snapdragon 750Z processor. Octa-core memory is 64 GB of internal storage. Expandable RAM for SD up to 1 TB, and you have 4 GB of RAM there, so not too bad for what it is. It's just a budget-friendly smartphone, so not bad. You do get what you pay for here, but still not bad. You do get Android 10 on board, which is very nice. 5G, of course, that's a nice on point. Everything that's 5G. You do get 4G, 3G, GSM, Wi-Fi, which is a quad band HD boost, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity on the motorola 5G AC 8 ABGN and AC, Wi-Fi, dual band Wi-Fi right there, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot up to 8 devices, motion pressing, wireless and emergency alerts, takes a nano SIM card. And you get a lot of apps on this of course, so what you get from AT&T is a lot of force, they have a lot of bloatware. You get AT&T Call Protect, AT&T Member Security, AT&T Visual Voicemail, AT&T Personal Cloud, Device Help, Setup and Transfer, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, Game of Thrones Conquest, which you might have to download that if you guys are interested, my AT&T TV, CNN, DCW, AT&T Protect. I don't know what the difference is between Call Protect and Protect. I don't know. Breach Report. AT&T Pro. Jesus fucking Christ. HBO Max, NBA, DirecTV, and Pluto TV from AT&T. When this is the apps that you have pre-installed from AT&T, you get pre-installed apps from Motorola as well. Sometimes your camera, the phone dialer, which is like the Google dialer, I believe it is. Contacts, messages, settings, audio effects, and whatever actions, I guess, or something like that. Additional apps, these are the Google apps, of course, and you will get these, of course, you get Google Search, Google Pay, YouTube, Google Play Store, Google Assistant, Play Movies and TV, which will probably, you might have to update that to Google TV, Calendar, Clock, Gmail, Google Chrome, Google Drive, Photos, Maps, YouTube Music, Google Duo, Google Files, Wallpaper, Calculator, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides. My AT&T provides fast, easy account access virtually anywhere, anytime. It has games on it and web browser. It's Google Chrome, where you can have any browser you want. Sensors you have, let's say, barometer, ambient light, barometer, e-compass fingerprint, gyroscope proximity, and size sensor alert. Text messages like you have advanced messaging capability. You have you have RCS on here because you have Android messages pre-installed, so you do get that. There's a music there. It says Google Play Music, but it's probably YouTube Music, I guess, because Google Play Music is there. Unfortunately, there's your supported music formats there. External music play controls. It says use motor application to turn on external controls. So that's pretty cool. Accessibility, sustainability, product codes, and all that cool stuff. You guys can check those out. What comes in the box is your motorola 5G smartphone charging block, Type-C charging cable, SIM tray ejection tool, and quick start gas, and nothing special in the box. So yeah, did you guys have it? The Motorola 5G Asus 900 AT&T prepaid. So if you guys are able to get a 5G phone on the cheap, AT&T prepaid has you covered with that. This is a nice phone. Pretty decent specs for what it is. This is a budget smartphone. So you get what you pay for here. But for $130, you really can't go wrong. I think Metro got T-Mobile selling this one for $260, I believe it is. But you're getting it half off at AT&T prepaid. And I wonder if Cricket will get this one as well. We'll see. But if you guys want a cheap 5G smartphone, AT&T prepaid has a covered flat with the Motorola 5G Ace, which is a nice phone. Pretty decent specs for what it is. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so keep that in mind. But it's still a pretty decent specs phone for the price. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys are able to help me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.